Welcome in our Every Angle instruction video, Introduction to Basic Tasks. We address the following topics in this video: the Every Angle start screen, finding an angle using the search bar, finding an angle using the filter tags, executing an angle, showing a different display, and adding a personal note to an angle. The total duration of this video is about 6 minutes.
Hi, welcome to the first training movie of Every Angle Squared for viewing users. After you logged on to Every Angle, you get the Every Angle start screen, where you can identify 4 main components: the Education Center, containing a number of training movies, the Help button, the News section, which will show messages, and, the most important part, the search engine. Let's first explain how to find an angle. You can use 3 methods to narrow down the number of angles from which you can choose. You can use the business process bar, you can use the filter pane, and you can use the search bar. 4 processes are selected in the business process bar: procure to pay, supply to demand, order to cash, and finance to report. In this case, 23 angles or dashboards are available. Suppose you want to check whether there is an angle showing the sales order book. Just enter the word book into the search bar, and the angles with the word book in its name and description will show. In this case, just one angle is found. You can also narrow down the list by using the filter tags. Checking the filter tag angle shows that 18 out of the 23 results are angles. Checking the filter tag dashboard shows that 5 out of the 23 results are dashboards. Every angle allows you to mark or star the angles or dashboards that you would like to find fast. Checking the filter tag starred now shows 2 angles. We can add the order book angle to the starred angles. Find the angle by entering the word book into the search bar and click on the star in the front of the angle. As you can see, you now have 3 starred angles, this time containing the order book angle. Executing an angle is easy. Just click on the name of the angle and the angle is executed. The result of this angle is displayed as a chart. The chart with the sales orders is ordered on the x-axis on the order due data per quarter. The bar chart shows the count of the sales orders, and the line chart shows the sum of the sales value of the sales orders. A brief description of the information source is displayed in the top left part of the window, just beneath the name of the angle. The Every Angle system is connected to the EA2 800 SAP system, which is our SAP demo system. The download date is the June 30th, 2005 at 1300 hours. The base object of the graph is the object Sales Document Schedule line. The graph is based on 3,378 sales document schedule lines, which were retrieved in 0.03 seconds. You can zoom the graph using the zoom bar at the bottom of the graph. We will put the start of the period here and the end here. You can then browse through the graph using this zoom window. You can alter the display of an angle. A click on the down arrow of the display box shows the available displays for this angle. Displays have 3 basic forms: a graph, a pivot, a list. The main display of the angle is marked with the green checkbox. A display can have the same information source as the angle, in which case the filter icon is grayed out. Yet it could also have additional filters, in which case the filter icon is black. The base angle has 3,378 sales document schedule lines. Let's show the pivot display back orders by clicking on it. Here you see that the back orders display only has 209 objects. Let's have a look at the functionality of the pivot. The pivot of the order book is executed on the country of the customer group of the customer's sales area, and the name and description of the customer. Each line in the pivot shows the count, the number of sales document schedule lines, and the sum of the sales value. You can alter the sorting list by clicking on the pivot fields, where you can find the options Sort Ascending and Sort Descending. You can expand a group by clicking on the plus sign and collapse a group by clicking on the minus sign. The most powerful way to quickly find an angle is to add a personal note to an angle. You can add a personal note in the top left corner of the window, just underneath the brief angle description. Let's add My Favorite Order Book Overview as a personal note. This note can only be seen by you. When you enter one of the words of the personal note in the search bar, then the angles with a personal note containing this word will show at the top. You now can sort the angle list on name, created on, recently used, and relevancy, which only appears if you have entered something in the search bar. You can remove the personal note by selecting the note and deleting it.